Hi there, welcome to my channel once again. Welcome to episode 2 of debit card and banking security fraud. Okay, today we're going to crack on quickly. Okay, contact your bank or building society straight away if you're worried someone might have access to your bank account. For example, if your card or security details have been lost or stolen, statement shows payments you don't recognize, card has reached its limits, or account has gone into overdraft, okay, stuff like that, and you weren't expecting it. Check your statement or bank website for phone number to call for reporting security issues, or go to bank or branch in person. If you haven't had money taken from your account, your bank or building society will still take action to protect your account, for example by canceling your card or changing your security details. Okay, if money have been taken from your account, it is known as fraud and is illegal. When you contact your bank, they will take action straight away to protect your account, so that no one has access to your money. For example, they might cancel your card or checkbook and send you a replacement. You should also report the crime to the police through Action Fraud. They will log it in and give you a crime reference number. If someone used your name to open a new account, get credit card or buy services, okay, this is called identity theft, so you need to understand it. If you start getting bank letter bills or letter from debt collector that you know nothing about, okay, this might have happened to you because they have stolen your information. You should contact your bank straight away and let them know. Keep a record of all conversation you have with the bank and copies of copies of letters to do with the fraud. The bank will investigate, take action to protect your account, and refer the crime to the police. Okay, if you think someone has applied for credit card in your name, for example, because you have letter about loan or credit card you didn't apply for, you should also contact the main credit reference agencies. All right, so we have many of them in different parts of the country. Okay, explain you have been a victim of identity theft and ask them what credit account or service are on your file. Okay, yeah, very important. Tell them which one you didn't apply for and ask for the information to be removed straight away. The credit card references agency will contact those companies listed on your file to sort out the accounts that were wrongly opened in your name. You should contact all three agencies, as each one might only have part of your file. Okay, you can contact the following. Okay, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Okay, these are very reliable agencies. Okay, I'm not advertising for them. Okay, getting your money back might be difficult. Okay, but getting your money back, your bank should refund any stolen money from your account as a result of fraud and identity theft. They should do this as soon as possible, ideally by the end of the next working day after you report the problem. Okay, the bank can refuse, or the banks can refuse to refund if they find you acted fraudulently or were grossly negligent. For example, if you share your PIN or password with someone else, if the bank won't refund your money, you will only be able to get it back by taking the person who stole it to the court. So that's it. If you sent money to scammer, it might be harder to get your money back if you send your money to someone because of a scam. For example, if you paid a fake invoice or bill, this type of scam is known as unauthorized push payment. So you need to be aware of that. Okay, most banks have a signed voluntarily agreement voluntarily agreement to refund. If you are in this situation, you will have to show anyways. You follow any security warning from the bank. You believe the transaction was genuine, sort of, okay? You weren't being careless when you made a payment, all right? You were worried, you were being careless because you fell for a scam. It's worth asking your bank for a refund, okay? If you're not happy with the refund, and if you're not happy with how the bank or credit card provider dealt with the fraud, you should, make a complaint, all right? And if you are not still happy with that, okay, you can complain to the financial ombudsman on their website, okay? If fraud has been committed as well, report it to Action Fraud, okay, and they will sort it out for you. Search Google and search Google for Action Fraud, okay, and this will be resolved. This will be resolved, okay, in no time. All right. Thank you for being my guest tonight. Bye.